Hey, what's up guys, WRG here with another video, and today I have a pretty cool unboxing for you guys. This is actually a ceramic knife we're going to be checking out, and it's by Stone River, which is the company, Stone River Gear. And let me show you guys the knife here so you guys can check it out, but this is how it's supposed to look, and pretty cool. I'm looking forward to checking it out, and I'll show you guys a few of the features and stuff that it comes with. Kershaw Blur, unboxing duty, so let's check it out. Now a little bit of background story on this purchase. Originally, I had bought it from a third party, and when I opened it, and I actually did an unboxing already, this is my second one doing, yeah, it actually wasn't very sharp at all out of the box. And I contacted the company, and basically what they told me was that they have had some issues with some third parties selling used knives. So basically, I would recommend for this particular purchase for you guys to get it directly from the company. So definitely want to check that out, stonerivergear.com, I believe. I'll leave a link down below so you guys can check that out. Right, so this is pretty much how it comes. Really nice presentation. It comes pretty much with like a gift box. So Resharpening Services, they do offer, although for a ceramic knife, it's not really necessary under most circumstances, but they will resharpen it for you. And I believe it's just a small fee, if I'm not mistaken. Let's check it out. So $10, I believe. So they'll resharpen it for you. So not bad. Ceramic knives are fairly difficult to sharpen, but on the positive side, they most likely will not need to be sharpened. So as long as they come sharp out the box, you should be pretty well off. It does have here a 5-year warranty, which is pretty cool. And again, great customer service. You know, I had that issue with the third party, and they were able to send this one to me. You know, just because of the inconvenience of having the other one unsharpened. So it's pretty nice right here. This is the sheath. This is a very nice sheath. It comes with high quality paracord, which should be the same quality paracord. Well, actually, is it? It seems very similar, if not the same. That comes on the actual handle, but it should fit in pretty easily. So let's see how it locks in. So it does lock in, you hear that lock, and it is in, good to go. So very nice. And of course I got tanto, which is a pretty cool style that I particularly really like. And you can see some actually shavings here. It seems like it was recently sharpened maybe. But very nice blade, and let's see how sharp it is. I do have some paper here. There's just some random paper from school. So let's see how sharp it is. So there it is. Looks like it's slicing. So can't slice. It's not the sharpest knife I've ever seen in my life, but definitely not bad. Actually, it's pretty sharp. And again, this is intended, I believe, for hunters, if I'm not mistaken, for cutting up game and something lightweight, something you don't have to worry about sharpening too often. But, you know, it cuts pretty decently. And for my purposes, I think it's going to be pretty cool. What's nice about it, again, it's all ceramic, 100%. There's no metal inside of this whatsoever. So I think that's a pretty cool feature. And I'll show you a few of the stats here so you guys can check it out. So basically it is made of zirconium oxide. It's a tanto style blade. It's 5 3/4 inches in overall length and 2 1/4 inch actual blade. 500 weight rated paracord, which is pretty standard. Rugged sheath, no rusting or pitting, compact, lightweight, and it comes in a nice presentation box, as you guys could tell, in case you wanted to give it as a gift or something to someone else. I saw that it does sell for about $50 on their website. So that's pretty much it, guys. Pretty cool blade in my opinion, very small, compact. In my particular case, I'm probably going to use it for more self-defense type of situation. And I like the fact that it's very small, compact, clicks into here very easily. So if you did want to carry it like in a neck knife type of style, you know, you don't have to worry about this thing falling. It is actually very secure. A little tough to get in and out actually, but at least you don't have to worry about it falling, and you have that confidence, clicks right on in. So very cool, high quality. I believe there is a little bit of metal here on the sheath, but aside from that, it's pretty much 100% ceramic and paracord. So very nice. One of the advantages I wanted to mention to you guys of ceramic is that yes, it's very sharp, and it's also very hard, almost as hard as diamond, not quite, but pretty hard. But a disadvantage is that it can be brittle. So I would not use this for prying anything. I wouldn't stick it and just kind of turn it side to side, because I could easily break the tip or something. But you know, as is, pretty cool tool. I like it. I'm very happy with it. So guys, check out the website. I'll leave it down below. And that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. Again, this was not really sponsored, but it does have excellent customer service. They were able to hook me up with a sharper blade. So very cool. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate the support. Please like, share, sub. WRG out.